We have a problem. This is my Galaxy S8 cell phone, and the battery right here. Battery's failed again. I've done this several times. It's really unpleasant, but it has to be done. This time, though, I had lots of trouble getting the back off. The glue wouldn't release, and so ended up it's broken. So I ordered a new back for it, and so that's on the way. Thanks to Amazon. Everybody hates Amazon, but out here on the ranch we couldn't survive without Amazon. We don't have any at-home delivery, and so we buy a lot of stuff from them. So I'm not mad at Bezos. He got rich, and my life was made easier. So calling it good. So what I have to do, first thing I think I'm going to do is get all of the glue off. It gets all around here. Get all the glue off. And then there's a bunch of screws, little screws. Here, 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 there. One up in here. So I have to take all the screws out. And then this piece comes off. Then I get the battery out. And I have a backup battery I bought from Amazon, of course. And I'll replace the battery. I don't know. There's been a lot of complaints about people saying the batteries go out. They're like consumables. How come they make it so difficult? Some people can't do this, and I can only do it because I taught myself how to do it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and start working on this and get it cleaned up. And I'm not going to add all this into this video because it's really boring, and it's going to take several days because I have to get the stuff delivered and all that. So that's what I'm going to do. Well, back on the phone problem, it's easy to see the battery's puffy. The problem right now is the glue. These are held on. The back is held on with glue, and I have to take it off. What I got here, I got some picks, and I'm going to see about getting this glue out of here. Well, it's pretty apparent that this is going to be a slow, tedious job, and I'm pretty sure no one wants to sit and watch this, so I'm going to go away and work on this and then come back later. Things are not working out all that well. I can't get the glue off easily. I can't scrape it off. I've tried some high-grade grain alcohol. That's supposed to work. So what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and take the back off and get as much off of this phone as I can, and then go from there. I don't want to damage anything. I'm not going to use this phone to make phone calls. I have a drone, and what I'm going to do is use this drone or this phone on my controller. I haven't flown it yet, but we're going to try that out. So that's what I want to use this phone for. Okay, I made some progress. This has been a nightmare. I've got the phone down to its components. This is the old battery out of there. Is that thing gonna focus or not? I guess not. Come on, focus on me. Hang on. I'm hoping that, okay, out there it is focused, I guess. We got it down to its components, and I still have to get the glue off the edge. It's not coming off very well. And I'll tell you, here's something. This is an old battery that I've replaced before. And I think I remember sometime back having a technician up in Alpine replace a battery for me. But I don't remember exactly. I know I didn't put this back together because I didn't put the amount of glue. There's glue. There's glue all over. This is just so thick it was inside. And so I just happened to go through and get a little probe and go in and dig it out, and you can see all the little screws down here that come out of it. And there's the camera, and here's the back, and there's a thing there. I don't know what that does. Probably important. So anyway, this is what I'm where I am. And you can buy one of these unlocked off of Amazon for about $300, and they don't have a SIM card in them, but I don't really care because I'm going to use it on the controller for my drone. So it doesn't want to don't need to communicate with anything except Wi-Fi, and it'll do that without a SIM card. So anyway, I'm going to try to fix this. I got the battery. It's an old box here, and boy, this thing just doesn't want to focus right. I don't know why. But anyway, I got a battery replacement for it, and I guess we'll just have to see how it goes. So I'm going to stop for now and have a little something to drink along with some pizza for dinner, and claim that this has been a good day. Well, it wasn't pretty, but I got the darn thing done. This has been a real mess. Getting the glue off the back, and those little tiny screws. I'm sitting here narrating this video. Pat over there thinks I'm talking to her. Emma, the dog, is trying to figure out what I want her to do. So anyway, here it is. We're almost done. But the new back hasn't gotten here yet. So I can't finish the job up, but I'm going to charge the batteries up, and then as soon as the back gets here, I'll put it on my drone controller and see how it goes. So I guess that's probably all for right now.